drugs. We're not on the ground, sir. Sit. Yes, we are. We're only grounded. Sit. You see anybody else getting up? Sit.
Some really tense moments in the air during an American Airlines flight from Los Angeles to Salt Lake City, and that is after that man got back to his seat. Things got even more bizarre.
All being used as pawns.
Okay, that passenger turns out to be 61-year-old Timothy Armstrong from Las Vegas. He was taken to the hospital to get checked out and then cited for public intoxication and disorderly conduct. Add this video to the list of more than 4,000 reports in the last year of unruly passengers on flights. 3,000 of those incidents started as disputes over someone refusing to wear a mask.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.